Hello, and welcome to this UTMC tutorial. Let's take you through the registration process. Feel free to pause, rewind, or replay any part of this video to aid in following the tutorial. To start, go to your email account and log in. Once you've logged in, look for an email titled UTMC Registration Request from the following email address. When you open this email, you will see a message from your authorization manager inviting you to join the case management system. This message also provides a 4-digit PIN highlighted in red that will be active for 4 days. Record this PIN and click the link titled Registration Screen to take you to the last step of the registration process. On this page, you will see your email address already filled in and a space to enter the PIN that you've just recorded. Enter the PIN in the PIN input field and choose a username that you will remember. Your username should have a minimum of 6 characters, a maximum of 24 characters, no spaces, and have no special characters other than a period, hyphen, or underscore. Enter your case-sensitive password twice to ensure that it was entered correctly. Next, you can see the Terms of Use Agreement for your reference. After reviewing these, check the box to indicate that you have read and understood the Terms of Use Agreement. Lastly, you will be able to click the blue Register button that will complete your registration process. After registering, you will be redirected to the login screen of the case management system, where you will enter your username and password that you have just created. To avoid entering a new PIN for an unknown station login, click the Remember Me checkbox to remember your current device. Do not check this if you are on a public computer, such as those in a library, hotel, or internet cafe. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can begin your work in the case management system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.